I quoted the same paint job 3 different ways. Only one of them actually made a profit. Same house, same paint, same crew. The only thing that changed was how I priced it. And that's the whole difference between a good month and working for free. By the end of this, you'll know the 3 ways painters quote a job, why 2 of them quietly lose money, and how to nail the 3rd one in minutes. Quote number 1, the hourly guess. You guess the hours, multiply by your rate, and hope for the best. But you forgot the prep, you forgot the second coat, and you never counted your own drive time. On a $1,500 quote, missing a full day of prep and a second coat quietly becomes $600 of work you're now doing for free. Quote number 2, the lowball. You drop the price to beat the other bid. You win the job, and you inherit all the risk and every callback for less money than the work is worth. Shave $400 off just to win it. And on a typical repaint, you didn't win a job. You volunteered to babysit someone's house for the price of the paint. Quote number 3, the real number quote. Room by room, real square footage, your actual paint, your real labor burden, your overhead, and the margin you need to still be in business next year. Same house, same gallons, but priced off the real numbers. That job clears $900 of profit. Nothing changed but the math. Here's the part that stings. Most painters cannot tell you which of those 3 quotes they just handed the customer. They find out months later when the money is already gone. Because the quote that kills you isn't the obvious stuff. It's the labor burden, the overhead, and the jobs you can't get to because you're stuck finishing an underpriced one. Taxes, insurance, gas, equipment, the office hours you never bill. Add it up, and 30% or more of a job you thought was profitable can quietly disappear. So stop quoting from memory. Quote from the numbers, every surface, every coat, your real rates, in minutes, before you ever leave the driveway. That's the whole reason a tool like this exists, a job estimator that prices any paint job in under 3 minutes. It builds the quote room by room, real surfaces, prep level, and number of coats. Nothing gets forgotten. It pulls from your own paint library, Sherwin-Williams, Behr, Benjamin Moore, priced at your actual cost. And it hands you a clean, printable quote you give the customer before you ever pull out of the driveway. Then change one habit. Price the next job room by room. Check it against your real costs, and hand the quote over in person, not 3 days later by email. 3 minutes of real math is the whole thing standing between you and a $600 mistake you find out about later. The estimator runs right in your browser. $47, one time, no subscription. It's part of the Painter Kit on our Etsy shop. Find it, search Niche Toolkits. I'll see you in the next one.